मॉक टेस्ट का पहला क्वेश्चन, गल्फ फूड 2026 marks a milestone as the first exhibition to operate across 2 venues. Which hall is specifically located at the Dubai Exhibition Center World Food Hall? What is the theme for the 16th National Voters Day 2026? My India, My Vote. In the institutional category, which entity received the Subhash Chandra Bose Abda Prabandhan Puruskar 2026? Sikkim State Disaster Management Authority. Graça Mitchell, the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2025 awardee, led a landmark UN study in the 1990s on which subject, impact of armed conflict on children. The military quantum mission policy framework released in January 2026 identifies how many pillars of quantum technology for integration? The right answer is 4. Prime Minister Modi virtually inaugurated the 4th India Energy Week 2026 at which specific village in South Goa? Betul. Who has been conferred the Ashok Chakra, India's highest peacetime gallantry award in 2026? Subhanshu Shukla. I.S. Bindra, who passed away in January 2026, served as the president of which state cricket association for over 3 decades? Punjab. How many women have been selected for the Padma Award in 2026? Right answer is 19. Total award अगर आपसे पूछता है तो 131. मैच द पद्मा विभूषण 2026 अवॉर्डी विद देयर रिस्पेक्टिव फील्ड एन राजम, आर्ट से संबंधित है पी नारायणन, ये लिटरेचर से संबंधित है केटी थॉमसन, पब्लिक अफेयर्स से संबंधित है, तो पहला ऑप्शन आपका सही हो जाएगा. द भारती पवेलियन एट गल्फ फूड 2026 फीचर्स हाउ मेनी हाई पोटेंशियल इंडिया स्टार्टअप? राइट आंसर इज 8. On which date was the Election Commission of India founded? 25 जनवरी 1950. Lieutenant Colonel Sita Stroke Selke was recognized for her leadership in construction a 190-foot bridge at which location? Right answer is Chora Mala. The Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development carries a cash award of 1 crore. The Goa government signed an MOU with Starlink satellite communication to provide broadband to which priority sector? Right answer is C. Government, school and healthcare. Which of the following is not one of the 4 pillars of the military quantum mission? Right answer is D. Artificial intelligence. Group Captain Prashant Balkrishnan Nair was awarded which gallantry decoration in 2026? Right answer is B. Kirti Chakra. The publication Chunav Ka Parv Bihar Ka Garv was launched during which event? National Voters Day 2026. Under whose leadership was the Sikkim State Disaster Management Authority established in 2005? The state government institutional. In the Padma Bhushan category, who among the following was awarded posthumously? Shibu Soren. Which sports person was not mentioned as a recipient of the Padma Shri 2026? Virat Kohli. How many countries are participating in Gulf Food 2026? 195. Who chaired the international jury that selected Graça Mitchell for the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize? Shiv Shankar Menon. How many mentioned in dispatches were approved by the president for operation like Rakshak and Meghduta? 98. Last question है, which Indian state from the northeast is specifically mentioned as a participant in Gulf Food 2026? Assam.